Hey guys, welcome to another episode on my channel. As you know, this is the third episode in this mini-series. And of course we are talking about ESP32-S3 Touch LCD display. This in front of you, it's a circular 1.28 inches display. In previous two episodes I showed you how to utilize graphics and touch screen functionality. And today we are going to wrap that story with input-output pins. So what I want to do, I want to draw two fields on my screen, a red and blue. And when I touch some of these fields, I want to turn on or off a respectable diode. And as you can see on my breadboard, I have two diodes, red and blue, connected through 330 ohms resistor. And right here I have a socket for my ESP32-S3 board. I bought this screen together with this socket and wires, so I'm going to turn other side of my module. Let me check. Be very careful not to break anything when you put this socket inside. Gently. Be careful not to break your nails too if you are using them. All right. Now, if you check Waveshare website about this microcontroller, you are going to see that on the back, first from the right, it's the ground. I'm going to connect ground to my breadboard. On the left, first one, it's pin 33, I believe. Yeah, it's 33, and I'm going to connect a red diode to it. We have 6 input-output pins, and this second one from the left, it's pin 21. I'm going to connect blue diode to it. All right. Now let's get to the code. And as you can see, this is code from our previous episode. We are just going to modify it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this delay of 1000 milliseconds from this loop, and I'm going to use that delay of 100 milliseconds on every iteration. I'm going to remove this fill screen. All right. And fill circle, I'm going to place it in here at the top. So on every iteration we are going to use function not fill circle but fill rectangle. So first rectangle is going to take half of this screen. So first it's going to be, so in between 0 0 is going to be starting point, and width is going to be 120, so half of screen, and height is going to be 240. So first half of screen is going to be colored in red, and I'm going to get color red with GC9A. So GC9A, I'm going to take red, and I'm going to copy this function call. So now X is going to be on 120, Y is going to be on 0, and width it's also 120, height 240. So first rectangle is going to start on 0, and second one is going to start on 120. As you can see, we don't need Y for this example. I'm going to remove Y. All right. So it's not necessary, but what we need states. Bool, states of two elements, and both are going to be set to false. This states variable is going to keep states of our output. And of course, first we have to set pin mode for our output. So pin mode 4, and I have to define these two pins. So int red it's pin 33 and int blue it's pin 21. So if you look at the back side, from the left, you have 6 input-output pins. So first it's 32, 21, 18, 17, 16, and 15. We are going to use only these two. And pin mode for red it's output. Pin mode for blue it's also output. And digital write for red is low. For both we are going to set to low initial value. Digital write for blue it's also low. All right, and now what we are going to do, we are going to say if x is less than 120, we are going to set states 0, meaning first value, meaning value that is going to define a red diode. We are going to set it to not states 0. So whatever we have in our states 0 variable, we are going to reverse. What that means? Means that if light is on, we are going to turn it off. If light is off, we are going to turn it on. And now else, we are going to deal with states 1, meaning with blue diode. States 1 equals not states 1. All right, and now outside of this loop, what we are going to do? First, we are going to check states 0, and if it's true, I'm going to use digital write for red set to high, else I'm going to copy this. For red set to low. And I'm going to copy this entire statement. Now we are dealing with states 1, which holds state for blue diode. I'm going to connect my microcontroller now in order to upload this code. So give me a second. I'm going to build this code now. And I'm going to upload it. Oh, I see, I have a mistake. I have to set this second rectangle to blue. My entire screen it's red. You cannot see it. Okay, I'm going to build this code once again and I'm going to upload it once again in order to show you final result. Wonderful. Let me show you the final result. Alright, as you can see, I have two colors, and if I turn my screen towards my camera, because of light, this doesn't look very nice. So I'm going to turn it right a little bit. So now I'm going to show you how this works. If I press on blue color, my blue diode is going to turn on. Red color, red. Again. So whenever I press it, I'm going to reverse state. Come on, yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. In next episode, we are going to cover more of interesting subjects about this display.